making carne con papa. And we're taking a video. Okay. I'm not allowed to use a knife, so I'm just using these cooking scissors. We'll just be cutting it in half. Oh, P.S. Do not put fat in this. This is the fat. It's called potatoes, but in Spanish it's papa, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Carne in English is beef.
Beef, the roti. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then later it's gonna look better.
Yep, these are the vegetables sauteing.
It's so good. So this is the sauce we're gonna be using. It is called
This sauce too.
and this sauce too. This is called recaito culantro cooking base. And this one is called tomato sauce. Yes, tomato sauce. Salsa de tomato. Tomate. When I grow up, I'm gonna be a chef, just like my grandpa.
Aww, that's sweet.
Thank you. My grandpa is a chef. We're gonna slowly pick up the beef, right?
Yes.
We're gonna slow.
Here, this is how you do it. I'll show you.
This is my precious.
You're fresh. Okay, we're gonna put the camera here so we can show everybody how you're gonna do it. So, wait, no, wait. Carry it, the whole board. No, the whole board. Ah, bueno. Okay, you can do it like that too.
And then we put it in here, right?
Yeah, just be careful, don't burn yourself. There you go.
So we're taking this little doohickey and we're putting it on the handle so that we won't burn our hands.
Sazón completo.
This is called son completo.
Sazón completo.
Sazón completo right here. There you go. And we're gonna put a medium amount of this. Oh my god.
Oh, yep, that's enough.
That was enough, guys.
That's okay, that's how they learn.